This is June 2015, June 2015, advanced level, paper 1. The first question says, given that f of x is equal to x minus 1 all divided by x plus 2, where x is different from 2. Why should x be different from 2? Because if you substitute 2, if x is 2, you have the denominator will become 2 minus 2, which is 0, making the function infinite. So the range of function of f of x is a. They are looking for the range a x such that x belongs to a real number where x is different from 2. X belongs to the real number where x is different from minus 1. X belongs to the real number where x is different from 1. X belongs to a real number where x is different from minus 2. Now, how do we solve this problem? The understanding is that the range of a function is the domain of the inverse of the function. The range of the function is the domain of the inverse of the function. So we'll be looking for the domain of the function. Once we see the domain of the function, we will be able to identify the range. And for us to look for the domain, we look for the inverse of this function. This is the function. To get the inverse, we say let y be equal to f of x. So we solve for y. In solving for y, we will come out with x equal to 2y minus 1 all divided by y minus 2. This now gives us an inverse function, which is f inverse is equal to 2x minus 1 all divided by x minus 1. Now we see that if x is equal to 1, the denominator becomes infinite because we will have 1 minus 1, which is 0. Hence, C is the right answer where x belongs to a set of real numbers such that x is different from 1. So if that be the case, C is the proper answer.